Hello everybody, and today the topic is really very small of our syllabus, that is TDS and TCS under GST. So this is the study note number 9 of our syllabus of our book. So this is one of the most minute chapters in our book and doesn't require much effort. Just this one page of notes is enough. Concise notes. So this is the concise notes. So now let us begin. TDS and TCS under GST. So TDS means tax deduction at source. सोर्स पे जो टैक्स डिडक्ट कर लेता है उसको TDS बोलते हैं, ठीक है. एंड TDS इज कवर्ड अंडर सेक्शन नंबर 51 of CGST Act 2017. Now, what actually TDS is? Supplier, if specified or notified recipient को अगर पेमेंट करता है ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड वैल्यू विच इज मोर देन ₹2.5 लाख, ठीक है, तो इन दैट केस the recipient will deduct TDS at the rate 2%, that is 1% of CGST and 1% of SGST. So the amount should be more than ₹2.5 lakh. Next is return for authorities deducting TDS at the rate 2%. So if the authorities are deducting TDS, then in which form number they should deduct? So the form number is GSTR 7. That is to be filed on 10th of next month of the next month on obviously monthly basis, ठीक है. Now these are some of the specified or notified authorities to deduct TDS. First one is a department of central government or state government. Second is local authority, then government authority, then society established under Society Act, then public sector undertakings, and then others which is yet to be notified. So an authority or a bound or any other which is set up under an act of parliament or state or established by government with 51% or more voting favor. So the voting in favor should be more than or just 51% or more to carry out any other further functions. Now in TDS there are certain authorities that need not to be required or to deduct TDS. In other words, we can say that it is exempted from the TDS provision. So those authorities are, first is Ministry of Defence, then PSU, that is Public Sector Undertaking. अगर पेमेंट करता है किसी अदर पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग को तो उस केस में नो TDS विल बी डिडक्टेड. एंड देन पर्सन कवर्ड अंडर सेक्शन 51 अगर पेमेंट कर रहा है टू पर्सन कवर्ड अंडर सेक्शन 52 क्या है TCS का. तो अगर 50 जो पर्सन 51 में कवर्ड है मतलब TDS में कवर्ड है वो अगर TCS में जो कवर्ड है उसको पेमेंट कर रहा है तो उस केस में भी TDS डिडक्ट नहीं होगा, ठीक है, नहीं होगा. तो बस TDS में इतना ही था. ये सारा कंसाइज नोट्स है, ठीक है, और डिटेल में अगर पढ़ना है तो यू कैन ऑब्वियसली रेफर टू द बुक ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट. सो नाउ लेट अस कम टू TDS पार्ट. दिस इज more minute than TDS. You can see only 4-5 lines are here. So TCS, tax collection at source, which is covered under section 52 of CGST Act 2017. So TCS is tax collected at source. अब कौन लायबल होता है या फिर कौन कलेक्ट करता है TCS, ठीक है. सो ECO इज e-commerce operator, for example Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, etc. All the ECO which are covered under section 9 subsection 5 collects TCS, ठीक है. यहाँ 0 थ्रेशोल्ड लिमिट है जैसे ऊपर वाले में था ना, थ्रेशोल्ड लिमिट. हाँ, that amount should be more than ₹2.5 lakh. But in the case of TCS, there is no such threshold limit. So 0 threshold limit is here. Now rate ऊपर वाला में था 2%, ठीक है. TDS में 2% और TCS में 1% है, that is 0.5% of CGST and 0.5% of SGST respectively. Now return, अब return किस में फाइल होता है? GSTR 8 में, which is 10th of the next month on the monthly basis. TDS का क्या था? GSTR 7. TCS का है GSTR 8. Now TCS is collected within 10 days and details is to be filed within 10 days of the transaction. ठीक है? So TDS and TCS under GST is completed within 5 minutes or so. So you can make notes like this. It is really very useful for the revision before exam, because you will have in mind that you have to read just this one page and nothing else, and your one whole chapter is covered in this one page. I have made this for several chapters as well. So you can see these things. I have done these things in my lockdown. Okay? I really love doing artwork. So this is actually very efficient way to revise your things, as they require just one page to revise one chapter. So this is really useful for all the professional students for the revision before exam. So you can just use this trick, and you can also revise very well during a day before exam. So I hope you like this idea, this creative idea. So till then, study well and see you all in the next video. Bye.